Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Kulshrestha. I come from Noida in India and I made the project called Stockhome, which is my final project for this course. So let me tell you about this project. So with this project, with the dataset that I had, I tried to predict future prices of the stock by using three techniques called moving averages, RMA and LSTM. So LSTM is a neural network while the other two are machine learning techniques, and I've also made a website from which you can sign up for future analysis, and it also has a comment section where you can write down which type of data you would like me to analyze. So yeah, it's made with HTML, and it also has a part where you can download the older reports which I have made, and there is also a section where you have an email ID which you can write your email ID and I will give you my future reports. So yeah, this is the website, and in this email ID is compulsory, while comments you can write, and name, it's you can write your name also. So yeah, so now moving on to my analysis, I started with the technique called moving averages. So this was the simplest technique that I could find, and I've used this technique to analyze the future prices, and it uses the average of the closing prices of the previous number of days which I have specified, and it becomes a new price. So due to this technique, I have also used the predicted prices to calculate the future prices, and that's why it's not very accurate. So yeah, as you can see, so this green line here is the part which was the actual price, while the part in yellow orange was the predicted price. So then I moved to RMA. The full form of RMA is auto-regressive integrated moving average, and this is a very commonly used statistical technique, and I've used it here to predict the future prices. So yeah, I started by importing the libraries, then also importing the data set and creating a training and validation data set, and here we are training it, and in this you can see that this is much closer to the actual price than before. So now moving on to my third technique which I used, it's LSTM. The full form of this is long short term memory, and this is the only technique which I used which was actually a neural network, and it also performed the best out of those which I had worked on. So yeah, as you can see, this is very close to the actual price. That is nice. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you and see you later.